Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create quiz in Google Forms with result. So let's begin. Now currently I'm in Google Forms and now I'm going to go ahead and create a blank form and show you guys the entire process. So here we go, we have a blank form ready. I'm going to set a title for my form and then I'm going to prepare the questions. Now I'm not going to make it multiple choice questions. I'm going to just give short answer. So this is going to be the short answer questions. So these are going to be the short answer questions. Now if I go to settings right over here, I'm going to select make this a quiz and I'm going to release the marks immediately after each submission. I'm going to turn on all these settings for the respondent settings so that respondents can see which questions were answered incorrectly and which are the correct questions, and they will also be able to see the point value of the question. Now I'm going to select default value for each question, which will be 5. Alright, so let's publish this quiz. So our form is published. Now let's go back to questions. And the answer key is right over here. So I'm going to add the answer feedback, which is going to be 4. So I'm going to add correct answer right over here, which is going to be 4. So this is the correct answer. And now I'm going to click done. So one question will not be interesting, right? Now let me add some more questions. I'm going to create duplicates and prepare the questions. Alright, so all of my questions are now ready. So I'm going to click save again. And now I'm going to open the form in new tab. So here is our quiz form. Now let's answer the questions. Now I will make a mistake in this question on purpose. Now let's submit the form. Now if I click view score, you'll be able to see that I have one right question, another right question, another right question, and as you can see I haven't changed the feedback for this question, so the feedback is still 4. Now make sure that you are changing the feedback to correct answer if you're willing to let your respondent know the answer. And as you can see, the feedback is still 4 right over here because I haven't changed the answer. And then there is another incorrect answer right over here, which I've made on purpose. So I have selected default point as 5, but I don't know why it didn't work. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this thing. Now I'm going to also change these answer key feedbacks too. So as you can see, these are 0 points assigned. So I'm going to assign 10 points on every questions. So as you can see, all the questions have been updated. Now let me save this form again. So let's open this form in new tab. Alright, so I'm making a mistake again to see what happens. Alright, a response is saved. Now let's view score. Now as you can see, I have earned 30 out of 40. So first question was right, second question was right, third question was also right, and as you can see the feedback has also been corrected this time, and the fourth question is wrong, so I have no points on the fourth question. So that is how you can create quiz in Google Forms. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.